Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay, students. So, we will go back to our lesson. Today's accountancy lesson is new profit sharing ratio, isn't it? At the time of admission of a new partner, we need to prepare the new profit sharing ratio. Now, when share sacrificed is given, we are learning, isn't it? So when sacrificed share is given, how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? We have completed up to illustration 10 and exercise 10, isn't it? Now we will do the exercise 11. 10 we have completed, 11 is also in the same way, isn't it? Here we need to write the all the partners' names. So the calculation of new profit sharing ratio we have to write. We will draw the line. Three partners we have to write, isn't it? Partners name, two partners, old partners, isn't it? Vimala, Kamala. Kamala. Then the new partner, Vinita. Okay, first old ratio. Old ratio 4:3. Now old share. Then single share, then total share is to 3/7. Okay. Now share sacrificed. Share sacrificed 1/14 from Vimala and 1/14 from Kamala. Okay. So sacrificing ratio 1:1. Now we need to calculate the new share, isn't it? New share is equal to old share minus sacrificing share. Here new share. Old share, how much? 4/7 minus sacrificing share 1/14 is 2. Here old share 3/7 minus 1/14. Here we need to add the share sacrificed. 1/14 plus 1/14. Now we will calculate. LCM we can take 14. Here now we need to calculate, isn't it? 4/7 into LCM. Here 2, here 1. 1 into 2 into 4, 8. Minus next fraction 1/14 into 14, 1 is to LCM 14, 3/7 into 14 to 6. minus 1 by 14 into 14, 1 only we will get. Here LCM 14, 1 plus 1. Okay, now 8 minus 1, 7 by 14. 6 minus 1, 5 by 14. 2 by 14. So, new, share this one, isn't it? So, new ratio 7:5:2. Okay. Next term. You will see the problem. Govind and Gopal are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4. They admit Rahim as a partner. Govind surrenders 2 by 9 of his share in favor of Rahim. Gopal surrenders 1 by 9 of his share in favor of Rahim. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here that is, they have given the proportion of his surrender. Okay, 2 by 9 of his share. So we need to calculate first the sacrificing share. Okay, for this one we will see the next illustration. Here you see when the proportion of share sacrificed is given. Share sacrificed is given on the proportion on old partner's share. Okay, that way we will see this illustration. Okay. Suresh and Dinesh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramesh as a new partner. Suresh surrenders 1/5 of his share in favor of Ramesh. Dinesh surrenders 2/5 of his share in favor of Ramesh. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Not this way, as I shown you, you have to do the one. Suresh, Dinesh and the new partner Ramesh we have to write. Okay, then first one old share, old ratio, old share. Then share sacrificed we have to calculate. Old share into proportion of share sacrificed. Okay. Here you see 1/5 of his share. Another one 2/5 of his share. So 1 by 5 into 3 by 5. 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. We have to calculate the share sacrificed. Then sacrificing ratio. Okay, 3 by 25, 4. So 3:4. Now new share. Old share minus share sacrificed. Here we need to calculate the sacrificing share or share sacrificed, then new share. Okay, then new partner share, what the sum of share sacrificed by the old partners by adding the same method only. Okay, we will do this 12th exercise. First we need to write, isn't it? Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. First we should write the number, isn't it? Question number, then the heading. Now the column we need to draw. Partner's name we will write 2 partner plus 1 partner. So for the 3 partners we need to draw the line. Okay. Partner's name Govind, then Gopal, New partner Rahim. Okay, first old share. 5:4. Sorry, old ratio. Now old share. 5/9:4/9. Now share sacrificed. Old share into proportion of his share. The share sacrificed. His old share 5/9 into how much he is surrendering? 2/9. Okay, 2/9 is 2. Here Gopal surrenders his old share 4/9 of 1/9 of his share. Okay, now we have to multiply. 9 9s are 81, 2 5s are 10, 4 1s are 4, 9 9s are 81. Okay, this is the share sacrificed. Now sacrificing ratio. Ten is to 4. We can write 5 is to 2. We can simplify and write. Okay, 5 is to 2. Now, new ratio. Old ratio. New share. Okay. Old share minus sacrificing share. Old share how much? 5/9 minus sacrificing share 10/81. Okay, here old share 4/9 minus how much is the share sacrificed? 4/81. Then how much here? We need to add both the sacrificed. There how much? 10/81 plus 4/81. Okay, now we need to calculate the LCM 81. Now take the calculation. 5/9 into 81. How many 9s are 81? 9. 5 9s are 45. Minus LCM same. So 10. 10/81 into 81. 81 will be cancelled. Isn't it? Then 10 is to 81. 4/9. So 9 4s are 36. Minus 4. Here 81, 10 plus 4. So 45 minus 10, 35/81. 36 minus 2, 32/81. 14/81. So once again we will write new ratio. Share we have calculated. Okay, new share. New ratio is equal to 35 is to 32 is to 14. Okay, students, we got the answer. Okay, now we will see the 13th one. I think same model. Okay, 13. Prema and Chandra share profits in the ratio of 5:3. Hema is admitted as a partner. Prema surrenders 1/8 of her share. Chandra surrendered 1/8 of her share in favor of Hema. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Here we need to calculate the sacrificing share. Okay, in the same model, 12th model. Shall we do this one? 13. First, write the number. Okay, 13. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Okay, now draw the columns for 3 partners. Yes, columns. New partner, then the old, 2 old partners. Here, who are the old partners? Number 13. Prema, then Chandra, the new partner Hema. Okay, first old ratio. What is the old ratio? 5:3. Yes. Now old share 5/8 total. Okay, here 3/8. Now share sacrificed. Is equal to old share into proportion of share. What is the old share? 5/8 into how much he surrenders? 1/8 of her share. 1/8. 1/8 of 5/8 is 2. 3/8 into that also same 1/8. 8 8s are 64. Okay. 5 1 is 5. 8 8s are 64. 3 1s are 3. Okay, here what is the sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio is 5:3. Okay, now we need to calculate the new share. New share, how we will calculate? Old share minus share sacrificed, that we calculated, isn't it? New share is equal to, what is the old share of Prema? 5/8. minus share sacrificed 5 by 64 is 2. Here what is the old share? 3 by 8 minus share sacrificed 3 by 64. Here we need to calculate the share sacrificed of Prema and Chandra for Hema. So 5 by 64 plus 3 by 64. Now we need to calculate LCM 64. Then 5 by, we will calculate 5 by 8 into LCM. 8 8s are 64. 5 8s are 40. Minus sign. Then 5 by 64 into 64. So 5 is 2. LCM 64. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 into 64. 1 8. 8 8s are 64. 3 8s are 24. Minus 3. Here LCM is 2, you write. 64. Here 5 plus 3. 40 minus 5 is equal to 35 by 64 is 2. 24 minus 3, 21 by 64 is 2. 8 divided by 64. So now we will calculate the here new share. Now new ratio. 35 is to 21 is to 8. Okay. Now the next one we will see. Okay. This old proportion of the old share we have calculated. Now, when proportion of share sacrificed is given, we will see the illustration. Okay. See, Ramesh and Raju, partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Ranjan into partnership with 1/4 share of profit. Ranjan acquired the share from old partners in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Computation of sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. Ranjan's share, the new partner, 1/4. The old ratio, old share we will write. Now proportion, what the same method we will do. Okay. Then share sacrificed. Proportion is given, isn't it? Share sacrificed is equal to new partner share into proportion of share sacrificed. See that new partner share how much? 1 by 4. That proportion 3:2. So from Ramesh 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of 1 by 4. He is sacrificing. Raju, that 1 by 4 into that proportion 2 by 5. We will get. This is the sacrificing share 3 by 20, 2 by 20. So ratio 3:2. Now new share. Old share minus share sacrificed. Same one. Here the only difference is that proportion of the new partner share. Okay. Proportion of the share sacrificed on the new partner share. Till now we have old partner share only we have learnt. Okay. Now the new partner's share is sacrificed one proportion of the old partners. So we will do this one exercise. When proportion of the share sacrificed on new partners share is given. Okay, we will do the 14th exercise. Three partners column. Two, three. We'll write Karthik, Kannan, new partner Kailash. First old ratio. Equal partners, isn't it? Equal partners means 1:1. So old share 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. Now sacrificing share. Here new partners share. You see 1/4 share of profits. What's the question? Kailash acquired his share from old partners in the ratio of 7:3. Sacrificing share is equal to new partner share into proportion of share. New partner share 1 by 4, isn't it? Into what is the ratio? 7 by 10. In this one only they are sharing 7 by 10 and 3 by 10 of his new share. Here 1 by 4 into here 3 by 10. Okay, so we will multiply 47 is to 43. So what is the sacrificing ratio? 7:3. Now new share as usual. Okay, old share minus sacrificing share. What is the old share? 1 by 2 minus sacrificing share 7 by 40 is to here old share 1 by 2 minus sacrificing share 3 by 40. So here 40 is the LCM. 1 by 2 into 40. 20, isn't it? 20 minus 7 is to 40. 1 by 2 into 20. 40. So same. 20 minus 3. Now, what is his share? His share is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is to 1 by 4. So what we need to do? We have to make this denominator as 40. So we need to multiply numerator and the denominator by 10. We will get 40. So 20 minus 7, 13 by 40. Here 17 by 40. 10 by 40. So what is the new ratio? 13 is to 17 is to 10. This is the answer. Okay students, we have completed 4 problems, isn't it? 11, 12, 13, 14. You do this again and see, then you will be thorough in this accountancy. Okay, so do this well and see. Okay students, so I think you might have understood everything clearly. Do the problems and see very slight difference only there to calculate. Okay, that word only you have to understand. Then you will understand the problem how to do. Okay students, thank you very much.